In this section, we are going to learn about HTML links. HTML links are hyperlink. You can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move your mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. Now note that a link does not have to be text. A link can be an image or any other HTML element. Now, the HTML tag defines a hyperlink. It has this syntax, and it will have an href attribute. The most important attribute of a element is the href, which indicates the link's destination. The link text is the part where it will be visible to the reader. So if I write link text, it will be visible to the reader or the viewer. And if I click here, it is going to take me to the link, whatever I write here, www.google.com. Now, an invisible, unvisited link is underlined and blue. So it is blue right now. And if I click it, then it's going to be purple. An active link is red. See, an active, this is active, it is red. And if I click it, then it's going to be purple. Now let's learn about the target attribute. By default, the linked page will be displayed in the current browser window. To change this, you must specify another target for the link. The target attribute specifies where to open the linked document. So if I write target, now let's just say the target is nothing and is going to open in the current window. Now if I write target is equal to blank and then click here, is going to open up in another tab. You can also use image as a link. If I click here, it is taking me to here, and then I'm going to copy this image address, and instead of the link text, let's cut it, and I'm going to put an image tag. Source is going to be the image address that I've copied, alternate text, Google logo. Now if I hover over it, you can see that the cursor has changed to a hand, and if I click here, it is taking me to my Google address. You can also use button as a link. So to create a button, I'm going to take the button tag, and inside it, I'm going to write I am Google button, Google link button. Now, if I click on this I am Google link button, it is going to take me to Google web page. And you can also use title here. Whenever you hover over the button, it is going to show you some details about the button. To do that, you can write title and I am a title. Now, when the user hover over this button, it is going to show the title. So this is how you can use links in your web page.